Imagine living in a quiet town in New Mexico where there's a strange and persistent noise called the Taos hum. It's like a faraway engine sound that you can't ignore. People who can hear it often feel bothered by it, and some even worry about their health. Despite lots of research, we still don't know exactly where the noise comes from. Some think it might be caused by the Earth's natural movements, while others believe it could be machines in the area. The Taos hum is a real mystery that reminds us there are still things we don't fully understand in the world around us.
If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for more content like this in future.